So let's take a look at our chakra system. The awareness and reference to chakras has been around for thousands of years. The word chakra comes from Sanskrit, meaning wheel or circle. A chakra is described as a spinning wheel of energy that absorbs and transmits universal energy in and out of the body. There are 7 main chakras, each positioned at specific points within the body. A healthy chakra system is an integral part in maintaining the overall health and well-being of the mind, body and spirit, balancing and replenishing our life force. In many cultures, each chakra is represented as a lotus flower, each with a specific number of petals. The more petals the lotus flower has, the higher the frequency of energy that the chakra is attuned to. For example, the lower chakras have fewer petals, and the crown chakra has 1,000 petals. The lotus flower represents a doorway to the opening of the universe. Each chakra or lotus flower can be closed, partially open, or fully open, depending on your inner consciousness and where you are in your experience of life. As one progresses through life, symbolically the petals of the chakras unfold and begin to open, letting the universal energy flow in and out of the chakra. You don't need to have an understanding of the chakra system to have an open chakra. It is a natural state of being and is expressed in your life through your state of mind, your physical health, and your emotional well-being. There are crystals that relate to each of the chakras. These can be placed on the body or worn as jewellery to help activate, heal, and balance the corresponding chakra. Crystals are highly sensitive to absorbing energy and feelings, and are therefore excellent in assisting the energy flow of the chakras. The crystals for each chakra are usually chosen for their colour and their metaphysical properties.